Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to apply overdub stock voices to your videos in Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to descript.com or of course download the application, and then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript. Now, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, you have the project, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates, and you have your workspace. In the top right corner, we have your, of course, profile and the new project where you can, of course, start your new project. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply overdub stock voices to your voice videos in Descript. So click on the, so firstly, you need to go, of course, and click on the, of course, to create a project. So you can click new project and then put in video project or whatever you want. Then click on edit in the top menu, then select manage speakers. Click the plus button to add a new speaker. In the speaker settings, click on overdub voices and choose from available stock voices. Highlight the text in the script editor that you want to convert to speech. The script will automatically generate the audio using the selected overdub voice. Fine-tune the voice settings such as speed, pitch, and volume to match your project needs. Listen to generated audio and make any necessary adjustments to ensure it fits seamlessly into your video. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.